doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties. I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. We were driving home and I saw this car loaded with bumper stickers. It was the coolest, most fun look. And I totally want to make it in miniature and make the perfect car for summer. And I finally got the Barbie Extra Hot Wheels car. It was $6 on Amazon, which I know is way too much. I just felt that Mini Toya had to have it because I have one and now she has one. It's not the right scale for our Super Impulse miniature Barbies, but it will still make good doll collector clutter in the dollhouse. Where was I? Oh yeah, Barbie car. I went to Target and picked up this Jeep. I used the Target app and got it for $13.99, so that's an option. But I was digging around in my storage and found this. It's a larger Jeep. I'm liking the colors. It's just pink and black with a lighter pink interior, and it's pretty tall. It was collecting dust on a shelf, so let's clean it up and give it a new life. This is a great project to do for like a thrift store find and give a forgotten toy a little attention. Once it's clean, it's time to accessorize. We need stickers, small ones. At Walmart, I found these Barbie Activity Kits in a locker. It was $9.97 and comes with a notebook, pen, paper clips, clipboard, folder, and more. Some of these things look compatible with our 1/6 scale world. Be careful when taking it out of the package. Everything is covered in tape. Here's the pen, definitely human sized. There is a notebook with lined paper. I think this would work for a smart doll or an 18-inch doll. That probably goes for the clipboard as well. The top actually works, but I think it's a little large for a Barbie. Here's the notebook with a smart doll. Here's the clipboard. There is a small file folder, which is kind of cool, and it's also smart doll sized. There are sticky notes that look like a pink dress, sticker gems, stickers, which is what we came for, tiny paper clips that look like hangers. I actually bought some like this a while back on Amazon. I saw these paper clips that looked like hangers and I was like, will they work for the dollhouse? However, when I got them, they were kind of small. The hanger in this activity set looks about the same length, but the top part is bigger. It kind of works for some doll clothing. The locker comes with a little pole that we can put inside for the little hangers. How cool is that? Will it work with our Amazon hangers? We would have to widen the top, but I still kind of love this. Because we always use paper clips to make hangers, it would be so awesome if they just came that way. We also have 2 shelves that can fit inside the locker for storage. I'm probably only going to use one, so we can hang a whole dress. This locker has little vents in front and a lock that we can actually put on there. How cool is that? My dolls are taller than the locker, but I am still totally going to use it with them because this is an awesome find, in my opinion. And of course, yes, there are less expensive ways to get stickers. You can always buy a sticker sheet or print your own, but I really wanted that locker. In fact, I picked up 2 because, you know, locker scene. Plus, we get double the stickers that we're supposed to use to decorate the locker, but I'm gonna use them on our car. And we can use the sticker gems to add a little sparkle to our lights. Then I remembered I bought the Barbie suitcase activity set a while ago, and there might be some stickers in there. Yep, we have stickers. Ooh, that Malibu one's gonna look great. Totally looks like a bumper sticker. Warning, covering a doll car with stickers could make a mess. You've been warned. But am I still doing this? Yes. I found this in my studio, a Barbie Pets egg from a few years back. If my memory serves me correctly, it had stickers. Normally, I'm not a fan of stickers as a surprise, but there are always exceptions to the rule, like when you're looking for miniature bumper stickers. And we get to open up a new pet. Let's see, which one do we have? I probably should have got scissors. That would have made this easier. We have a little brown dog with pink glitter sunglasses. I feel like this little dog paw says, I love Bowie. So we're adding it. There was a design activity convertible. It's a mini car. These are stamps. If we remove them, then this can easily be a car for a pet. It's too small for Chelsea. Almost works with a toddler. It might work with a Barbie Extra Mini, but I can't find them. So the steering wheel is also a pin. There's a stamp pad in the back, a storage area under the front hood, which I found a little difficult to open. There's more storage in front. We can keep rolls of tape behind the wheels. There's a stencil, a notepad, and more stickers. They're all tiny, which is perfect for our little car. And I am just covering as much of the back as I can. I have a picture of a car on a car. Here is the design activity Dream House with stamps shaped like dolls that totally look like game pieces to me. Too cute. The palm tree is a pen. There's a small activity book, crayons, and a stencil. Tiny sticky notes we can use in the dollhouse. There's a little compartment for them right here. And since it looks like a little dream house, we can pretend it is a dream house for our dolls. Perfect. And there are more stickers, some of which are starting to be repeats. But this surf all day one is totally a keeper. This one has a lot of tiny stickers that help to fill in the gaps. Personally, I am loving the way these activity kits are presented. That locker is definitely a keeper, in my opinion. Even if we're not here for the activities, I can totally use some of these items in my 1/6 scale world. And yes, this can be a costly way to just collect stickers. Like we mentioned earlier, you can always just look for sticker sheets. And I just cut a few strips from the sticker paper to add a little sparkle to the license plate. The Barbie logo stops me from covering this area with stickers. It's a little too bumpy. Can you see it? So I borrow a wheel from another Barbie car and use a little wire to hang it over the back for a spare tire that is removable. Add a surfboard to the top. I'm using black elastic cord to help hold it in place by just tying it through the top. Oh, and poster putty works for the tire as well. We could glue it in place, but this car allows the back to open, and we have to use our license plate to support it. Let's remove this seatbelt, throw a few beach towels in there, a pillow or two. I let them hang over the seat so we can see them in the front. And it looks like the dolls are trying to dry their towels, maybe after getting out of the water. Add a cooler to the back and whatever else they might need for a weekend getaway. Yeah, my dolls are totally going to be traveling this summer. So a few more bags might come in handy. Thanks to I'm a Dolly Girl on Instagram, I was able to find these on Amazon. They were $10.99 each, has 5 surprise accessories that you can see what they are. One has a seashell bag and a bathing suit. It has scales and is kind of perfect for mermaid. Inside the bag, we have a paper bag with a yellow flower bracelet and a shell purse, sunglasses and a visor, and purple flip-flops. I think the bag is for humans, but I did see that the Barbie Extra Fly dolls, the new ones that are coming out, have oversized bags. So I tried it. I don't know. Might have to wait for the new dolls. The other one comes with a heart-shaped bag and a lavender dress. It's sparkly with little tulle sleeves, has elastic straps, and no opening in the back. Inside the bag, a plastic pearl bracelet, pink camera, lavender shoes, a soft pink necklace, and a light coral happy birthday headband. Personally, I would have loved to have seen it in pink or maybe even silver. In our last video, we showed several of our Koragu dresses, and I just bought a new one. I get them on Amazon and I search Koragu doll dresses. They usually run about $13.99 to $15.99. This dress opens up completely in the back. This is a new design for me, and I don't know how I feel about it. The piece that goes around the arm is sewn a little low in the back, and I think it's just throwing me a little. I don't know. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Oh yeah, and the car activity kit came with little Barbie paper clips that I forgot. I found a few new fashion packs at Walmart for $5.99 each. One is for a hairdresser. The outfit has printed details. It comes with a silver-colored hairdryer and a pink brush. The other one is a ballet outfit that comes with flowers, ballet shoes, and a leotard with an attached tutu. I was really hoping that these were two separate pieces because I want to use it as a bathing suit. I'm totally going to cut this off. And this is pretty thick Velcro. I know that's a weird thing to comment on, but usually Barbie has pretty great Velcro. Don't get me wrong, it holds great. It's just a little bulky. But now I have my pink flower bathing suit, so I'm happy. I picked this one up at the dollar store for $1.25 with the good Velcro. It's one that we already own. I just love the shirt and it fits with our summer vibe. I bought this fashion pack on Amazon for about $10. We get a long flower print halter dress with ribbon straps that tie behind the neck and a plastic beaded purse. We get purple shoes with an interesting heel that fit good on a curvy, and another floral print dress with oversized puffy sheer sleeves. And that's all the random Barbie stuff I've found lately. The lockers are definitely one of my faves. Oh, and I put the tire a little higher so we could keep it on even when the trunk was laying down. And we can just cover it with a towel when the dolls are chilling. Thank you for joining us while we checked out some Barbie stuff. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.